This is pretty much the home screen of the application. Once you open it, it will ask you the process to set it up. So you're going to need to tap on OK here, and it will just redirect you to the section. Do make sure you tap on or look for the name of the app, which is Auto Clicker. You tap on this option here, then you select the on option here. And once you have done that, you tap on the allow option here, and it will pretty much turn on the application features. So go back, once you've gone back to the clicker option or home screen, here be able to enable the single clicker mode. If you want multiple clicker icons, you can enable the multi-target options. So either one that works for you. I'm going to use the single target mode. So you just tap on enable here, and you'll be given with this here, as you can see, be able to use. And as well, you can go in the settings option here and edit how long you want the clicker to work for, how much cycles should it repeat, and how long and so forth. You guys get the drift. And also, if you're using like games and so forth, and you don't want the clicker application to be detected, I recommend you to enable the anti-detection feature here. It will minimize the click that it does look like, and you have that clicking screen. So we'll keep that in mind. As well, make sure you adjust or configure the clicking option here, as if you're clicking, you yourself are clicking the screen, so it doesn't look like there's an application doing it for you. But anyways, so once you have selected the circle icon here on the location that you want the thing to pretty much click, you can just, let's say you want this to click this multiple times or continuously, then just tap on the play button. Once you have set up, go in the settings option here and set it up, you can tap on the play button and it will click that continuously. So that's pretty much how it works. As well, if you do want to change it, just tap on the disable option here, and then you'll be able to use the multi-target option where you get more than one. So all you have to do is just tap on the plus icon here, and you'll be able to add one clicker, get as much as you want, as you can see here. So that's really pretty much it for the application. So very easy to use, very useful application. If you want to use it on TikTok or those applications that requires you to click on the screen for a very long time, you can use this one. Sometimes TikTok and those games will detect that you're using these applications. So I do recommend enabling the anti-detection feature here now. Will pretty much help you as it relates to that. And as well, let's say you set it up for a game application or anything like that, you can save or go to set this option here and save the setup. So you can go on the option here, the pen icon, and pretty much give it a name and make sure you save it. So with that being saved, you'll be able to go back on that you have saved and pretty much upload it, and you'll be easily setting up things and so forth. So it will be already set up for you to use, or you can share it with somebody and they just import it and they just use it as how you were using it as well. So that's really pretty much it for this video. If I miss anything at all, guys, make sure to subscribe to my channel. You know what you love. See you in the next one.